We are at Walt Disney World's Magic Kingdom in Orlando, Florida, and about to go on Seven Dwarfs Mine Train. In this video, you're going to see the entire ride from start to finish. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel so you get more content like this. And comment below with the Disney ride you would like to see next. That's the end of it. Woo! Do you love it? And that is the Seven Dwarfs Mine Train ride at Disney's Magic Kingdom. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. As always, thank you for watching.